Action Tires advise. This has been a test of the emergency alert system conducted by the National Weather Service office in Spokane, Washington. The 10 a.m. observations for the local area.